Hello dear students, how are you? Welcome to online class. I hope you are safe and sound, and I am also too, by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am here with you. I am MD Rezol Karim, Assistant Teacher, Govt Patharat Muslim Model High School. Dear student, today I will discuss a lesson from English for Today book, class 8. So, dear student, open your book. So, dear student, take your book and open it, page number 78. Unit Dear student, I am writing the title of the unit on the board, and you can write with me the title of the unit. Okay? DIFFERENT, different people, different people, different, DIFFERENT, different occupations, OCCUPATIONS. Okay, dear student, have you written? Dear student, let's see the learning outcomes of today's lesson. In this page, dear student, here you can see the learning outcomes of today's lesson. Listen to me. After we have studied this unit, we will be able to read and understand text through silent reading, listen for information, ask and answer questions, write down the main ideas in our own words, and write short paragraphs. Now, dear student, attention please. First of all, I will going to tell you an event. In my childhood, I saw some scenic charmer in my local area. They showed scenic charming. Many people of our area gathered there. Seeing different kinds of snake and their different playing, we all enjoyed much. We all give some money to them. Actually, they showed scenic charming for money. Dear student, you can guess what's our today's lesson? Okay, our today's lesson is now, dear student, turn over 2 pages from this page and go to the page number 82. Now I am writing the title the lesson on the board. You can write with me. Okay. The title of today's lesson is River Gypsies in Bangladesh. R-I-V-E-R, River Gypsies, River Gypsies in Bangladesh. Bangladesh. 1. Okay, dear student, have you written? Yes. Dear student, let's learn some keywords from this lesson. Listen to me. Keywords. The first word is gypsy. Do you know the meaning? Dear student, do you know the meaning? Okay. Gypsy. Gypsy means nomads. In Bangla, we say Bede. Okay? Next word, ethnic. Next word, ethnic. Ethnic means racial. Ethnic means racial. In Bangla, we can say jatigoto. Next word, nomadic. Nomadic means temporary. Another word, roam. Roam means journey or trip. Another word, tarpaulin. Tarpaulin means canvas or thick cover. In Bangla, we say tripod. Another word, tents. Tents means camp. In Bangla, we say tabu. Dear student, listen to me. Remedy. Remedy means cure or healing. In Bangla, protikar. Another word, bent. Bent means sail. In Bangla, we say bikri kora. Another new word, heal. Heal means cure or remedy. That's in Bangla, arogyo labh kora. And last one, talisman. Last one, talisman. It means tabiz. It means in Bangla, we say tabiz. Okay, dear student. Dear student, now go to the text and now go to section A. Section A. Dear student, look at the picture and discuss with me what you see. Dear student, how many pictures in this space? How many pictures are there in this space? Yes, 2. Yes, 2. There are 2 pictures in this space. Now, what do you think about the picture? Try yourself. Okay. The picture are related to river gypsies. Dear students, what do you see about the first pictures? What do you see, dear students? What do you see in the first pictures? Okay. Try yourself. Can I help you? Okay. In the first picture, we see a number of small country boat floating in the river side. The river is full of water. It seems it is the rainy season. Dear students, can you guess about the second picture? Try yourself. And dear student, in the second picture, we see some tents, and there are some people in each tent. I think the gypsy live in tents in winter. Okay, dear student? Dear students, now go to section B. Let's start text. Let's start text. Dear student, read the text and try to understand. Dear student, read the text and try to understand the following questions. Listen to me, dear student. River gypsies are in an ethnic group of Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, they are known as Bede to local people. The gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. They live in groups and do not own any land. Therefore, they live in a nomadic life, traveling from one place to another. These people roam across our rivers and waters from May to December in a small country boat. These boats are their houses, and these people are a part of our waters. In winter, many water bodies dried up. At that time, they return to the mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tents on open river banks. Okay, dear students, in these lessons, lifestyle. Lifestyle means, do you know? Yes, lifestyle means way of life or existence. Another word, culture. Culture means art. Dear student, at that time, they return to mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tents on open river banks. You can see their men relaxing in the tents. Toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. Hear the word toddlers. Do you know the meaning of this word? Yes, toddler means infant, baby, or kid. Dear student, listen to me. Women often idle away time by hair doing picking of lice in twos or threes sitting in a row. Dear students, go to the next page. Throughout the monsoon. Here throughout means from beginning to end. Throughout the monsoon, they remain busy with fishing. They also dive for natural pearls in waters. Sometimes they camp for a couple of weeks. Men catch snakes and entertain people with snakes charming and sell herbal cures. Dear student, are you with me? Attention please. Women go from door to door to sell bangles, cosmetics, and other things. They also try to heal pains of old people, often by sucking out blood from their body. Many villagers believe in the magical power of the gypsies. They can make an evil spirit leave some's body by magic or special powers. Okay? Okay, dear student. Okay, dear student, now try to answer the questions by the help of the book. Okay? First question, who are river gypsies? Can you guess about the answer? Yes. River gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. Okay? Second question, how do they live? How do they live? Find out the answer. Try yourself. Can I help you? Okay. They live in groups, leading a nomadic life, traveling from one place to another. Okay, dear students. The third question: what do river gypsies do in winter? Yes, in winter, river gypsies spend time idly. Okay, can you understand? Number 4, what do river gypsies men do for living? Find out the answer. Okay, can I help you? River gypsies men catch snakes and entertain people with snake charming and sell herbal cures. Okay? And last question. What do river gypsy women do for a living? Okay? Can you guess about this answer? Okay? River gypsies women go from door to door to sell bangles, cosmetics, and other things. And they also try to heal pains of old people from often by sucking out blood from their body. Okay, dear student. Now go to activity B. Dear student, choose the best answer from the alternative. Number 1, the term ethnic is connected to people, plants, animals, fishes. The answer is people. Number 2, river gypsies roam around one another boat about this month a year. 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you guess about the answer? Okay. 8. Number 3, river gypsies live in tents. Summer, winter, monsoon, spring. Okay, evasive live in tents in winter. Okay, the term nomadic refers to a person who staying permanently at a place, travels from place to place, live in one's own house, lives in a rented house. Okay, can you guess about the question? Okay, the term nomadic refers to a person who travels from place to place. Okay, dear students, I hope you have already written what I say, what I have said. Now, this is all from today's lesson. Now, I am going to give a homework. Write down homework. Dear student, can I have the word? Dear student, homework. Homework. Okay, dear student, today's homework is write a short paragraph. Write a short P-A-R-A-G-R-A-P-S. Write a short paragraph about gypsies. Gypsies বেদে S-N-A-K-E, Snake, C-H-A-R-M-E-R-S, Snake Charmers. Okay, dear student, have you written in your exercise book? Dear student, you must do homework and you must submit it to me after your vacation. No more today. Stay at home. Stay safe. Bye.